Hello guys, my name is Richard and welcome to Burger Mandarin. In this lesson, we're going to talk about pronouns in Chinese. We're going to first talk about personal pronouns such as he, she, I, you. And then we're going to talk about possessive pronouns such as his, her, your. And then we're going to talk about demonstrative pronouns such as this, that, those. And last but not least, we're going to talk about interrogative pronouns such as what, where, why, how. First of all, we're going to talk about personal pronouns like you, I, he, and she. The Chinese for I is 我, and the Chinese for we is 我们. The Mandarin Chinese for you in singular form is 你, and the Mandarin Chinese for you in plural form is 你们. The 你 highlighted in blue indicates a male, and the 你们 highlighted in blue indicates a group of male or a group of male and females, whereas the 你 highlighted in pink indicates a female, and the 你们 highlighted in pink indicates a group of female. Because the radical 女 circled in green means female. The 他 highlighted in blue indicates a male, which means he, and the 他们 highlighted in blue indicates a group of males or a group of males and females, which means they. Whereas the 她 highlighted in pink indicates a female, which means she, and the 她们 highlighted in pink indicates a group of female, which means they. Because again, the radical 女 circled in green means female. So let's review again the personal pronouns. 我, 你, 他, 我们, 你们, 他们. 我, 你, 他, 我们, 你们, 他们. I, you, he or she. We, you, they. Next of all, we're going to talk about possessive pronouns in Mandarin Chinese. Now, just by adding the word 的, you can turn personal pronouns into possessive pronouns. So, 我 becomes 我的, which means my or mine. 你 becomes 你的, which means your or yours. 他 becomes 他的, which means his, her or hers. 我们 becomes 我们的, which means our or ours. 你们 becomes 你们的, which means your or yours. 他们 becomes 他们的, which means their or theirs. The masculine form of 他的, which is highlighted in blue, can mean his, as in this is his book, or his, as in this book is his. The feminine form of 她的, which is highlighted in pink, can mean her or hers. The ones highlighted in green can mean a group of male, or a group of male and female, while the ones highlighted in pink only means a group of female. Thirdly, we're going to talk about demonstrative pronouns such as this, that, these, and those. The Mandarin for this is 这个. That is 那个. These is 这些. Those is 那些. Have you noticed that it's just a combination of 这, 那, 个, and 些? 这 indicates something or someone in front of you. 那 means something or someone farther away from you, while 个 indicates a singular amount of thing or person, and 些 indicates a plural amount of things or people. 这个 那个、这些、那些。Additionally, 这个 and 那个 can be shortened to 这 and 那。Now here we're going to talk about two important nouns that we commonly use in Chinese. The Mandarin Chinese for person is 人 and the Mandarin for thing is 东西 Interestingly, the word 东 itself means east, and the word 西 itself means west. But when combined together, it means thing. 东 and 西 have no meanings itself. Here, let's do an exercise. Could you pause the video for a moment and recall what I've taught you and try to complete the chart? For example, how would you say these things in Mandarin? And how would you say this person in Mandarin? This person is 这个人 That person is 那个人 These people are 这些人 Those people is 那些人 Likewise, this thing is 这个东西 That thing is 那个东西 These things is 这些东西 Those things is 那些东西 Now let's do another practice here. We've already learned that the verb to be, such as his and are, is 是, right? Now, could you try to say, this is my thing in Mandarin? 这个是我的东西 这个是我的东西 这个 means this 是 means is 我的 means mine 东西 means thing. We've already said that 这个 and 那个 can be shortened to 这 and 那 So this is my thing. You can say 这是我的东西这是我的东西 Now can you try to say this thing is mine and this person is ours in Mandarin Chinese? 这个东西是我的这个人是我们的 So for example, if someone is trying to touch your thing, you can say 别碰 which means don't touch it. 这个东西是我的 This thing is mine. 别碰这个东西是我的 Don't touch it. This thing is mine. Lastly, we're going to talk about interrogative pronouns such as what, why, which, where, when, who, and how. So the Chinese for what is 什么 and we usually put 什么 in the end of a sentence. Now let's take a look at some examples. The way we say what is this is 这是什么 这是什么 The way we say what do you like is 你喜欢什么你喜欢什么你 means you 喜欢 means like 什么 means what 你喜欢什么 And the way we say what do you want to eat is 你想吃什么你想吃什么你 means you 想 means to want 吃 means to eat 什么 means what So as you can see from these three examples, we all put 什么 in the end of the sentence. Now in the three examples, you can find out that they all follow the SVO structure, the subject, verb, and object, which is a common grammatical structure in Chinese. So 这你 and 你 are all subjects. 是喜欢 and 想吃 are all verbs. The three 什么 which are all put in the end of questions are objects. So from this example, you can see grammar in Chinese is actually pretty simple. SVO structure is the core of Chinese. If you can follow the SVO rule, it'll make things a lot easier. Next off, we're going to talk about the Mandarin for why. 为什么?为什么?为 itself means for, and 什么 means what. So it literally means for what. Now, if you happen to be a French speaker, you'll probably notice the similarity of Chinese and French in terms of the word why. I heard in French for why is pourquoi. Pour means for, and quoi means what. So it's kind of interesting to know that different languages can sometimes be similar to each other. And we usually put 为什么 in front of the sentence or right after the subject. Now, we've already learned the verb 喜欢 means to like. So 你喜欢 means you like him. So if you want to say, why do you like him? You can put 为什么, which means why, in front of the sentence or in between the subject 你 and the verb 喜欢. 为什么你喜欢他?你为什么喜欢他?为什么你喜欢他?你为什么喜欢他? Why do you like him? Now, we've also already learned that 这个东西是你的 means this thing is yours. 为什么这个东西是你的?这个东西为什么是你的? Why is this thing yours? Next, I'm going to talk about how to say which in Mandarin Chinese. 哪个 is the singular form for which. 哪个 and 哪些 is the plural form for which. 哪些 Now, we usually put 哪个 or 哪些 in front of or at the end of the sentence. So, the Mandarin for which thing is yours is 哪个是你的东西 or 你的东西是哪个. We can either put 哪个 in front of the sentence or in the end of the sentence. 哪个是你的东西?你的东西是哪个? Now, if you want to say which things are yours, you can change 哪个 into 哪些. So, 哪些是你的东西?你的东西是哪些? So here's what we've already learned so far. This, that, and which in singular form are 这个, 那个, and 哪个. These, those, and which in plural form are 这些, 那些, 哪些. Can you see the pattern? 这个, 那个, 哪个, 这些, 那些, 哪些. Next, we're going to talk about the Mandarin Chinese for the pronoun where. 哪里, 哪里. 哪 itself means which. 里 means place. So 哪里 literally means which place. So a common sentence structure of using 哪里 is a place plus 在哪里. 在哪里. 在 means at. 哪里 means where. So a place 在哪里 means the place at where, or where is the place. For example, if you want to say where is Japan, you can say 日本在哪里?日本在哪里? 日本 is Japan. Or if you want to say where is your home, you can say 你家在哪里?你家在哪里? 你家 means your house. Now, we've already said that the word 里 means place. So here in Chinese is 这里, which literally means this place. And there in Chinese is 那里, which literally means that place. Where in Chinese is 哪里, which literally means which place. 这里,那里,哪里. Next of all, we're going to talk about the Mandarin Chinese for the pronoun when, which is 什么时候,什么时候. We've already learned that 什么 means what. 时候 itself means time. So 什么时候 literally means what time. And we usually put it right after the subject. Let's take a look at some examples. So for example, 你什么时候要结婚? 你 means you. 什么时候 means when. 要 means to want to. 结婚 means to get married. So 你什么时候要结婚 means when do you want to get married? Another example is 我们什么时候要去那里? 我们什么时候要去那里? 我们 means we. 什么时候 means when. 要 means have to. 去 means to go. 那里 means there. So 我们什么时候要去那里 means when do we have to go there? The Mandarin for who is 谁, 谁. So for example, 他是谁? 他是谁 means who is he? 他 means he. 是 means is. 谁 means who. 他是谁? 谁是李小龙? 谁是李小龙? 谁 means who. 是 means is. 李小龙 means Bruce Lee. 谁是李小龙? Now we've already learned that by adding the word 的, we can make a pronoun possessive. So likewise, if we add 的 to 谁, it becomes whose. So 谁 becomes 谁的, 谁的, which means whose. So for example, if you want to say whose thing is this, you can say 这个东西是谁的? 这个东西是谁的? 这个东西 of course means this thing. 是 means is. 谁的 means whose. Lastly, we're going to talk about how to say how in Mandarin Chinese. It's 怎么, 怎么. So for example, if you want to say how to go there, you can say 怎么去那里? 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 怎么 means how to. 去 means go. 那里 means there. And if you want to say how to get a girlfriend, you can say 怎么交到女朋友? 怎么交到女朋友? 怎么 means how to. 交到 means get. 女朋友 means girlfriend. 怎么交到女朋友? Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to review the 4 kinds of pronouns that I've taught you today. Take notes from my videos and try making sentences using the pronouns that I've mentioned. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this lesson or my teaching, please feel free to comment below. I'll see you next time.